Hey y'all, happy Vlogmas day 13. Hopefully you can hear me okay. I'm on my way to work. Thought I'd change up the scenery a little bit since I've been in my house the last several vlogs. And don't worry, I have my car mount, so I am hands-free. But since I have a long drive to work, I thought that I would talk to y'all for a little bit. But I just wanted to say I hope y'all aren't getting discouraged and bored already with my vlogs since I hadn't really had a whole lot going on. Just hang in there, bear with me, because this vlog and the next couple will probably be like that as well, just because I work today and the next 2 days, and it's really hard for me to film anything because I drive over an hour to work and then work all day and then drive an hour home, so it's really hard for me to do anything else. But like I said in yesterday's vlog, I am going to be doing a in-store try-on again. I think I'm going to do Forever 21 because I want to do some holiday looks, and I know that they're going to have some sequin outfits and some really good holiday options, and they're very affordable too. So I always want to show y'all affordable content, and then I also want to try and find some outfits on Amazon in case you are a procrastinator like me and need something quick. I just want to do stuff that y'all enjoy seeing, and I'm trying to think of things that I can do where it's not so boring. Hopefully, I mentioned this before, hopefully I can talk my husband into doing the gingerbread house challenge. So I need to run by Target and try and find some, but I'm more than likely going to grocery shop after work today, so that way y'all can at least see me grocery shopping and do a little haul. Hopefully y'all want to see that. I don't really get anything special. I do need to start eating better, so as I fix Hamburger Helper every night. My skin has been going crazy, and it is probably because of my diet, because I eat horribly. I just ordered some more collagen powder, so I'm hoping that will help because it did last time and I haven't had any in probably about a month. So if y'all are taking collagen powder, I highly recommend it because I could tell a huge difference in my skin when I started taking it, when I quit taking it. It makes my hair grow. I think it just does so much. The one I take is by the brand Vital Proteins, and it's just a collagen peptide powder, and I just get the unflavored and mix it in with my coffee every morning, and I can't even taste it. So I wanted to add it to something that I do every day to get in the habit, because I am so forgetful. So I drink coffee every single day, and that's just the easiest way for me. So I put it by my Keurig and just mix it in every morning when I make coffee, and that's just a really easy way for me to remember it every day. But I just really love y'all's feedback, and it helps me in my future vlogs. So do y'all like these kind of talking videos, or do you get bored with them and kind of skip through to see if I do anything else? Because for me, I get bored with it, but it's me. And when I'm editing, when I'm filming, a lot of times with any type of video, a vlog or a makeup tutorial, I will repeat the same thing over and over and over until I say it without messing up or how I like it, because I hate having to like cut and transition in the middle of a thought or sentence. So especially with my intros, I will do that, and a lot of times my whole entire beginning of the vlog I will redo. That way I have options. So that's one reason that it gets on my nerves, and plus it's myself. So one of my friends had a really good point. I was talking about it at work, and I was talking about how I feel like people get bored with talking videos, and she was saying that if they like following along with me and like my vlogs, that it won't get on their nerves. So I never really thought about that. So I want y'all's opinion. Do you get bored when I talk a lot, or do you like it? So I think I'm gonna go ahead and not end the vlog, but go ahead and get off here so I can drive and turn the radio on because I am so tired. I stayed up late editing videos. By the way, Lily Pond's and Tarte palette is finally up, so I will link it down below in the description bar along with everything else. So yeah, I need to turn on the radio because I'm starting to get really tired. Might have to get 5 shots in my Starbucks today. I don't know, I feel like I'm kind of immune to coffee now, so I don't know that it really does anything, but I like it, so that's what I'm gonna get. I will probably take y'all in Starbucks with me, but I always do the mobile ahead order. It has spoiled me. I cannot even go through the drive-thru anymore, but it's just so convenient because I just go in and it's sitting there waiting on me. So I will see you in Starbucks. So I just got to work. I didn't take y'all in Starbucks, but I wanted to share my drink really quick. I did get the 5 shots. So I get a venti caramel brulee latte during the holiday season. Normally I get a white chocolate mocha, and I do non-fat milk with light whip. When I do the white chocolate mocha, I do no whip, but they do a caramel drizzle, so don't know why I do the light whip and non-fat milk when I still have the caramel. But anyways, that is my drink. I'm gonna go into work, and then later, like I said, I might go grocery shopping, and I might take y'all along with me. So I'm either gonna see you at home or in Walmart. So I am back home from work. I've actually been home for about an hour and a half. I had to finish up day 12 vlog. I edited most of it last night, but I think I edited 3 videos yesterday, and it was I think 12 or 12:30 when I finally called it quits. So I had to finish that up, and now I am waiting for it to upload to YouTube. I am cuddled up in my blanket because I get so cold back here in my makeup room. So I ended up not going grocery shopping. I really need to, but I think we will survive at least 1 or 2 more days. But to be honest with y'all, I am just exhausted since I didn't get much sleep, and I just have so much going on, and a lot of it is me just adding things to my plate. So I kind of just needed to come home, and that is actually all I'm gonna do for today's vlog. So it's just gonna be a talking vlog. Hopefully y'all are okay with that and understand. But I just don't want to burn myself out, and I need to edit this vlog tonight, and I don't know, it's just a little bit harder for me this year for Vlogmas. Now don't get me wrong, I love doing it, and I don't regret starting it or anything like that, so I hope y'all don't think that. I love doing it, and I love getting y'all's feedback, and it's just exciting to know that some of y'all wait every day for a vlog and are excited to see them. So I hope that it doesn't seem like that. I just have a lot going on this year, and it's just a little bit more, I don't know the right word for it. Not really stressful, but I feel like it's a little bit more, and draining sounds bad, a little more exhausting this year. But I'm still gonna do it every day. I still love doing it. Just some days are harder than others. That is why this vlog is gonna be kind of shorter. So depending on how I feel like the whole Vlogmas I've been like, tomorrow I'm gonna do this, and then tomorrow comes and I'm like, well, I didn't do this. So I think I'm gonna quit telling y'all what I'm gonna do. But I really do want to do a in-store try on at Forever 21 because I want to show y'all some affordable holiday pieces, and I know that they always do have some, and I hate going to that mall and I will be there for work, so it's the perfect time. Hopefully I can do that tomorrow. Like I said, it just depends on how I feel. And yeah, so unfortunately that is going to be all for today's vlog. I really hope that y'all understand and you're okay with just a chit chat with me on my way to work and chit chat with me at home. But yeah, that is all for day 13. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe, and I will see y'all tomorrow.